All right, ladies and gentlemen, all eyes on the big screen as we are about to start something exceptional, something amazing. The man who's had a brilliant, brilliant collaboration with Allu Arjun sir, of course, and इस फिल्म के लिए उन्होंने जी जान लगा दी है. 5 से भी ज्यादा साल लगे हैं. The journey, continues. Culmination मैं नहीं कहूंगा 5 तारीख को, because ये तो अभी शुरुआत है. देखिए आगे क्या क्या होता है. साथ में नवीन सर, रवि सर, एक बार जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए वापस से. डीएसपी सर, कमाल का म्यूजिक एक बार फिर से, और सबको यहाँ पे नाचने गाने पे मजबूर कर दिया है. एंड प्रोडक्शन टीम की बात करूं या आर्ट डायरेक्शन की बात करूं, दिस इज फैबुलस. तो पुष्पा 2 द रूल की पूरी कास्ट एंड क्रू के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I know each and every one of us, we are like really proud of the fact कि एक ऐसी इंडियन फिल्म जो कि दूर दूर तक हमारी इंडस्ट्री का नाम और रोशन करने वाली है. बिकॉज पुष्पा को इंडियन खिलाड़ी समझे क्या, इंटरनेशनल है ये. मीना मैम ने बिल्कुल सही पकड़ा है. कोमल सर, आपको देख के मेरे को फिर वही बात याद आ गई. एक बार मैंने सर को बोला था, सर एकदम एक्स पे, ऑफ कोर्स फॉर्मली नोन एज ट्विटर, बिल्कुल खतरनाक मोड में थे. तो कोमल नाम सुन के सॉफ्टली समझे क्या, काफी हार्ड है. जोरदार तालियां. और जहां तक हार्ड की बात है, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, as we can see on this big screen, icon star, national award winning actor, आपके, मेरे, हम सबके फेवरेट मैडम तो फोन ही नीचे नहीं रख रही है. या we have with us, हमारे साथ, the one, the only icon star, Allu Arjun, ladies and gentlemen. दरवाजे खुलेंगे और वो ग्रैंड एंट्री as we can see. अरे नाज है तो बात भजा बात लोग उड़ जहां के नीचे. पुष्पा 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 पुष्पा. Can we all sing साथ में? Of course we can do that, yeah. धमाका होने को है, पूरी आने को है.
उड़ाड़े पे जो हाथ फेरे सारी दुनिया हिले.
All the eminent journalists here, and of course, दुनिया भर में those who are watching this, will lift their hands up in the air and welcome icon star Arjun.
बारिशों में भी चिड़िया जैसे आपदी रहती है, ऐसे दूर हाथों ऐसे चीज. अरे नाज है तो बात भजा बात लोग उड़ जहां के नीचे.
पुष्पा 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 राज. पुष्पा 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 राज.
किसी भी रूप में दिल जीत लेती हैं. और हमारी रश्मिका को ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं. हमारी रश्मिका को मैं मंच पे बुलाना चाहूंगा. गिव इट अप फॉर हमारी श्रीवल्ली रश्मिका मंदाना, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन.
फूलों का रास्ता है मेरे सामने.
रश्मिका, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. I know this is exactly what we want. We just want her to be here. और हम लोग सब एकदम ऐसे आराम से देखते रहे जी भर के. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We good? Yeah. Here you go. So first of all, congratulations.
Thank
This
you.
is wonderful. This is something that we've never seen before. कोई नहीं. जी 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 बहुत बढ़िया. आइए. देखा आप देख रहे हो क्या हो रहा है. As soon as you come here, धमाका मच गया. First things first, you know.
जी बोलिए.
5 साल है ना ये जर्नी. टॉक टू अस अबाउट दैट फर्स्ट शॉट एंड उससे भी पहले दैट फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन यू गॉट टू नो दैट यू विल बी वर्किंग विद आइकॉन स्टार अल्लू अर्जुन सर.
First of all, may I just welcome all of you here. Thank you so much for joining us. Good evening to all of you. I hope you've all eaten well and I hope you're enjoying this event. Thank you for being a part of it. And yes, पहले तो कहाँ से शुरू करूँ मैं? Okay. First, I'll start off from, I think, the first shot you asked me about. I remember the first shot was, in Pushpa 1, Srivalli's song, there's this paper, this thing I do, and I'm pouring that milk and all of that. I think that was the first day, and I was so nervous meeting Allu Arjun sir for the first day. I was like, yo, now how do I react to sir? Okay, sir, like he's been a superstar for such a long time, so I was like, okay, now I don't know how to react, I don't know how to behave and all of that, but that was the first day, that was the first interaction. But today, standing here in front of sir, just his family, his home, so the 5 years journey has been so different with a lot of, a lot of emotional ride, I should say. But today here we are, and he's always going to be super special. So
You've met these eminent journalists, a couple of times, of course, in the past too. But when you are standing here for Pushpa 2, The Rule,
Yeah.
after 16 December 2021, that was the first time you'd come here, and we welcomed you. So now, how does it feel?
a lot's changed, that's for sure. लेकिन जब भी ना मैं फिल्म शूट के लिए आ रही थी मुंबई के लिए, I used to just be asked one question, कि when is Pushpa 2 releasing? And today, with all of my heart and all of my confidence and all of my excitement, I can proudly announce that we're finally coming to you on December 5th.
अब बात समझ में आ गई हम सबको. Of course, she said it. अब समझ में आ गई. Talk to us about this amazing filmmaker, सुकुमार sir. जितना कहा जाए उतना कम है. उन्होंने जब ये नरेट किया था आपको, जब इसके बारे में बताया था, उस समय क्या चल रहा था?
Gee, it's just like how you've just said, no matter how many words, it's all too short for him. He's, in simple one-liner, I would just like to say he's a genius. I feel like he's not from Earth, he's from somewhere else, but he's just born as a human being and some other soul is just, he's a genius.
वो सामने नहीं आते हैं, मतलब ऐसा we don't get to meet him. What is this?
So we should really plan to kidnap.
है ना, we have to do something with Sukumar sir because we've been waiting to talk to him. Of course, anyone and everyone over here. कौन सी एक चीज है रश्मिका इस फिल्म की, इस 5 साल की जर्नी की, that will always stay with you?
There's 5 years journey is, you can't say it in one word, you can't say it in one phrase or sentence. Lekin this, like 7 years of my journey as an actor, 5 years being with Pushpa, Pushpa is home. And now when we're done with the film, I actually don't know how to react to it because I'm very, very sad that it's ended, but I'm very, very excited that it's finally coming out. So I'm a little overwhelmed with a lot of emotions, but yeah, I'm hoping that I get to work with the team lot many more times.
I'm sure, fingers crossed, and I'm sure ऐसा ही होगा. यहाँ पे बड़ी सारी बार आप आओगे और हम सबसे बातचीत करने वाले हो. 5th December, the rule begins, ladies and gentlemen. Culmination नहीं है किसी चीज का, बल्कि शुरुआत है. बॉक्स ऑफिस के लिए एक नई उम्मीद, कुछ नए रिकॉर्ड्स तो आप भी तोड़ रहे हो. पता नहीं कितने तरीके से वो हार्ट बना लेते हो आप. How many?
बस ये
मैं तो खत्म हो गया, मैं जा रहा हूँ.
आप सबके लिए.
मेरा हो गया. Okay, जाते जाते of course I've got this request from everyone, you know, जितने लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं, we will play अंगारो और आपको चिंगारी कैसे जलाते हैं वो सिखाना पड़ेगा, otherwise I can't.
No, before that, can I just talk to everyone?
Please, yes.
Hi, guys. Are you all waiting for the release? Pakka, you'll go watch. I'll be looking forward for all your reviews, huh? Huh? Yeah, I really will, because I know every time I spoke to all of you guys, you were only asking when is Pushpa 2 coming, when is Pushpa 2 coming. So finally it is releasing. Now please watch it on in the theaters on December 5th, and I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoy it. Bas, I'll stop.
She said it. बस ठीक है, अभी बोल दिया ना, अभी करने का है. So can we have that song थोड़ा सा?
आप करोगी मेरे साथ?
मैं तो I'm dying to do it, of course.
Lovely, thank you.
Right. अरे मैंने ऐसे ही बोला भाई.
फूलों का रास्ता है मेरे सामने
Gentlemen, one more time, give it up for Rashmika, and thank you so much for being so amazing every single time. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Of course, मेरा तो हो गया, घर जा रहा हूं मैं, किसी और को बुला लो, देख लो. Did I say that like out loud or something? No, I did not. I did not. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, after that $1 million, $1 trillion moment, what we'll do is we'll take a look at this song on the big screen, Peeling song, जो कि अभी आया है. Of course, हम सबको बहुत ज्यादा पसंद आ रहा है. मैं थोड़ा पसीना सीना पूछता हूं. आप लोग just take a look at that song on the big screen, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. एक बार वापस से इस फिल्म की म्यूजिक टीम के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. और बस अब दिल थाम के बैठिए. आई नो जिस पल का हम सबको था इंतजार, दैट इज फाइनली हियर, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. सिर्फ यहीं पे नहीं, बल्कि पूरे देश में इस समय जो लोग लाइव हमें देख रहे हैं, दे आर वेटिंग for this moment, of course, after that wonderful interaction, that mind-blowing performance by Shrivalli Rashmika. Now it's time to invite on stage, ladies and gentlemen, the man जिन्होंने पूरे देश को एक कर दिया है. नॉर्थ, साउथ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट, हर जगह इनके फैंस हैं. हिंदी हार्टलैंड में ही प्रूव्ड कि अगर कोई बहुत बड़ा हीरो है तो वो ये हैं. इन्होंने कहा था एक इंटरव्यू में कि ये सिर्फ टेस्टिंग वाटर्स की तरह मैं अपने फैंस के लिए कुछ प्यार लेके आया हूं पुष्पा 1 के रूप में, लेकिन जितना प्यार मिला है यहां पे इस वक्त ये अनमैच्ड है. और इसीलिए जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए द वन, द ओनली, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आइकॉन स्टार अल्लू अर्जुन का. पुष्पराज is here.
उड़ाड़े पे जो हाथ फेरे सारी दुनिया से दुकान पे तो आगे ले पड़े आसमां से तो वो रहा पूछा तेरा हद है इतनी गहराई तेरी सागर की क्या हद है.
बारिशों में भी गिरती है, कांपती रहती है ऐसे दूर हाथों
Sir.
से.
Your journey has been phenomenal, and everybody wanted you to be here with us on this stage. Of course, I would want you to welcome everyone. Then we have a surprise for you on the big screen, sir. So, you want to do that first?
नमस्कार. Kasakai, Mumbai. Good evening, each and every one of you. Thank you all for being here. Firstly, I would like to thank the media for covering this event. Thank you. And today that I'm here, I would like to first thank my producers, Maitri Naveen Garu, Maitri Ravi Garu. Thank you so much. This movie is not possible without you, without your support. We've been shooting this film, part 1 and part 2, for almost 4.5 years. And there's no way we could have done this without your support. Thank you, Ravi Garu, once again. Thank you, Naveen Garu, and thank you, Cherry Garu. Thank you, Maitri Movies, for trusting us. And today, for the last so many years, I always love Bhushan ji so much because he's brought in so much music to this country. He's brought in so much joy into people's lives. Bhushan ji, it's a pleasure to see you here. For the longest time, for many years, I used to think that my albums have to get released on a platform like T-Series, because that's got the biggest reach. And today, when that actually happened for Pushpa, it filled my heart with a lot of joy. I never got an opportunity to tell you that. Thank you so much. And Anil ji, thank you so much for distributing this movie. I particularly wanted to tell you this, that in the whole of South, we all found out how is it to work with you. And each and every single person have said such nice things about you. It's nice that you have such a lovely reputation all over the country. Whoever we called, everybody said great things about you. It's an absolute pleasure to be working with someone like you. Thank you so much for putting this film on the highest pedestal. Thank you. And thank you. Thank you. Pushpa Raj, झुकेगा नहीं साला. इस बार हरगिज झुकेगा नहीं साला. And it would be unfair for me not to thank all my technicians who have worked for this film. I would like to thank my entire crew, my unit, because the entire country is, when you come to Mumbai, it's like the hub, it's the media hub of this country. So this whole, when you address something in Mumbai, it means the whole nation and the whole world is watching. So I would like to thank my entire unit that has supported me from the COVID times. It was hard to shoot for 400, 500 people during COVID times challenge till today. It's almost a 4.5, 5 years journey. So thank you to my unit. There's no way I would have done it without them. And to all my technicians, my chief technicians, my art director, my cameraman Kuba, and above all, my childhood friend and a person who's given me so many super hit songs, none other than my childhood friend, rockstar Devi Shri Prasad. Thank you, Devi. You have given me phenomenal numbers, and at last, you gave me so many songs. At last, you even gave me a global chart number like "Ooh Antava Mama, Oh Antava Mama." Thank you, Devi. I can't thank you enough. And still, we still have one more song that is going to be released, and you will witness Devi's magic on December 1st, which we will be releasing with the video. I want to tell everybody that we're giving a 1-minute video out, a full dancing number out. I think it'll touch your hearts, and I think we'll bring celebrations into the theater with that song. And I would like to thank, most importantly, my actors. There is no way I could have performed without my artist support. I'd like to thank a phenomenal actor, Mr. Fafa. We call him Fafa, Mr. Fahad Fazil Garu. I would like to thank Fahad Fazil Garu for doing this film. He's a hero himself, but still, for the love of the film, for the love he has for Sukumar Garu, he came and played an antagonist in this film. And you will all witness what a phenomenal actor he is, on this December 1st worldwide. Thank you, my dear Fafa. Thank you, my brother. And thank you, Dancing Queen, Sri Leela. She's a Telugu girl. She's from my hometown. And she's a phenomenal dancer. I think the entire country and the world will witness how this girl can dance. And I wish her all the best. And of course, my most special, my Shrivalli. You know, last 4 years, I have only been working with one actress, and that is none other than Rashmika. You know, we have become almost like family. I'm so comfortable with her. I want to take 2 minutes and thank her for everything that she's done for this film. Her support is immense. There is no way this film is complete without Shrivalli's support. And me and my director Sukumar Garu have like so much admiration for her. You know, because we keep shooting every day, and she comes once in a while. And whenever she comes, you know, those days are so pleasant. And when she leaves, we're like, "Arey, such a sweet girl. She's brought in so much beautiful, positive energy." You know, these are the kind of girls we want to work with. You know, these are the kind of girls who will brighten up the room. You know, the world needs more like, you know, the world needs more girls like these. In a day where we all, you know, complain, oh, the girls are like this today, like that today, when we're all complaining, she's the kind of girl where you can say there are even girls like this who make a world a beautiful place. Thank you, Rush. Thank you. I can't show my love more than this. Thank you so much. You made me so comfortable to perform. There's no way I could have performed this way if not for your comfort and respect and love. Thank you, my dear. Thank you. And my entire journey of 20 years started with my director Sukumar Garu. He's not just the director of Pushpa 2, he's the director of my second film, Arya. And probably Pushpa, by the time I think Pushpa is my 20th or 21st film, and we've made many films together, there is no way I will be standing on the stage without his support. And it is he who has made me a star. Undoubtedly, I keep telling this even in my hometown. If there is one man who has made the biggest difference in my life, even in the end of my life, and I look back, who's that one person who changed the entire course of your life? It would be none other than my director Sukumar Garu. Darling, I really miss you. You know, he's such a phenomenal director, and he cares so much for the audience that his absence today speaks about his work. You know, because it's such a big thing to be here today in Mumbai, you know, showcase your film to the national media. But still, he's sitting there trying to make small changes for the local copy and trying to make small betterments, maybe a little here, maybe a little there. He's trying to give you the best. Believe me and him, we've only thought, not even for a second we think how much money are we going to make, how much are we going to make out of this film. Him, me, the artists, my producers, the entire crew, all of us have dwelled for 5 years. Gentlemen, in our life prime 5 years, we have dedicated for this movie to give the audience the best, especially Pushpa 2. We've given 3 years of our lives to give you the best product possible, and I hope it all touches your heart. And he's still doing the work. I have lost my voice. I just need to dub 1-2 small corrections, but I need to rest tonight, and I'll get back home and I'll dub that and I'll give you the best possible. We want to give, you know, I consider audience as God. And when you give God, there is no limitation of anything. You should try to give the best of your abilities, and we try to do our best of our abilities to give you the best we can. And thank you. Yes. In the last. And in this film, honestly, when we're doing this film, there's only one thought. We have made this film called Pushpa. We made a film, but it is you who has made it a phenomenon. It is not our greatness, it is your greatness. I'd like to thank all the audience for making this such a big phenomenon. You made this film, it is not my greatness. With utmost humility, I would like to say that you made this film as the biggest film in Indian film industry. You know, this film is going to release in 12,000 plus screens worldwide. This is the biggest film. The last 3 consecutive years, this film has been standing as the #1 most awaited film. Thank you, India. Thank you, Pushpa fans all over the world. Thank you so much for putting us on the highest pedestal. And it is my absolute honor and it's my absolute joy that 12,500 screens worldwide in 6 different languages, people from every state, people from every language, you know, every Indian from all over the world in every part of the world are going to come together for one celebration, and that celebration is Pushpa 2. And it is my absolute honor. And we want to give you the best. You know, when the whole India comes together worldwide to celebrate one film, and that film is our film, it is my absolute, how do I say, no words. I think instead of putting in words, I would say just please watch the film and what we have done for you, and how how much love we have shown for you. Thank you so much. ఇక్కడ చాలా మంది తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఉన్నట్టున్నారు. A lot of people from, and yes, thank you, my dear fans. I love my fans. You know, they're like my family. They fight for me. They stand by me. They celebrate me. You know, they stand for me like an army, and that's why, on a sweet note, I always call them my army. Thank you, my army. I love you all. I will make you all proud. If this film becomes a big hit, I will dedicate this film to all my fans. That is my aim. This film is releasing December 5th worldwide, more than 12,500 screens, which is the highest for any Indian film ever. So thank you for giving this honor. It is not our greatness. With utmost humility, I would like to say, this is not our greatness, but it is your grace. Thank you for showing us your grace. I hope to make you all more proud. I hope to make you make every Indian proud with this film. Pushpa, झुकेगा नहीं साला. And पुष्पा को national समझे क्या? इस बार international है मैं. And the last, just before I say the last punchline, just for once for love, I would request Rashmika to come up on stage, and I want to do a small jig, for Angaron ka song. Very few times I'll organically feel it, and only when I feel it, I do it. I'm feeling it today. Please play the song.
फूलों का रास्ता मेरे सामने
This December 5th, hope to see you in theaters. पुष्पा नाम सुन के फ्लावर समझे क्या? फायर समझे क्या? इस बार वाइल्ड फायर है मैं. See you in December 5th in the theaters. Thank you, India. Thank you so much for all your love. Thank you to all the Indians and Pushpa fans worldwide. Thank you.
Sir, of course, you are here.
Namaskar.
Rashmika, please be here with us. Ek choti si cheez, you talked about everyone, sir, but we have some very special memories on the big screen for you. This is the journey of Pushpa and this entire team. I'm going to play that for you. So can we have the thing on the big screen? So this is 2019 when it had all started, right, sir?
Yes, absolutely.
And look dekh rahe ho aap log, look dekho wahan pe kitna alag hai. And now
I was in my 30s, now I'm in my 40s.
Sir, somewhere or the other, you actually gave out the name here, sir. The title was not out, but you actually did that, sir. Talk to us about it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, absolutely. I forgot about it. Pushpa. Oh yeah. I forgot.
This was again in 2019, sir. You
Yeah.
did it.
I just wanted to give code word. I even forgot I did.
So you have to talk to us about this. What is happening?
Well, I was building a new office, and they were going to dismantle that old building and build a new building. And I wanted to have my first meeting in that office, and that film Pushpa 1 was taking off. So I called Mr. Sukumar, and it was his birthday. And I said, I want to have my first meeting of Pushpa meeting in this office. There is no office. Let's just sit on a terrace, have a chai, and talk about the film. So that is the first meeting that happened in my office in 2020. And
To
that
great
was,
beginning. Of
it
course.
was that, it's that memory that I wanted to make a memory, with Pushpa 1 in that office.
Lovely. Can we have the next one, please?
Yes. Well, this poster has a story behind. When we first wanted to give the name, we just wanted to give only the title called Pushpa. Pushpa means flower in Telugu. And a good friend of mine, who's a common friend, Mr. Director Harish Shankar, who is a common friend for Director Sukumar Garu and me, he said, Sir, the name Flower sounds very soft for a mass hero. Why don't you come up with a powerful name? And I addressed this issue to my director, saying, he's saying that, let's not give the title logo alone, because there'll be a lot of discussion about the logo. Discussion about the title. That's when he said, no, it's good that you told me. Let's not give the name by itself. Let us give it with a picture. Let's, you become so rough, and let's give a look which is quite shocking. So when they see a rough guy with the soft name, it'll really set the contrast. And that picture lit the entire expectations for Pushpa from that day onwards till this day. From that poster to this day, expectations of Pushpa has never come down. So
Next.
that picture is like the seed for everything.
Can we have the next one?
Is this during our national award? Priceless. Yeah, I think this is after the success of Pushpa 1. Yeah, we hugged each other after the success of Pushpa 1. So he'll always be a very special person in my life, or one of the most special people in my life. So it's a priceless moment.
Next. Can we have?
National award.
The moment, of course.
It is my absolute honor. And, I can tell everybody this, that when I was doing Pushpa 1, I requested Sukumar Garu that, I really want to try to win the Best Actor award. I've won Best Actor many times, but I also want to take the bar to a next level, so that we should give a quality that maybe we can try for a national award. I really wanted to try for a national award, and I told him that, and he promised me. He said, I will do my best to see through that, I present you to the best, so that you, how do I say, we will make a film where everybody feels it deserves a national award for your performance. And also it makes it more special because in the last 69 years, no Telugu actor has ever won a national award. And that was in my heart. And I was the first actor in 69 years of Telugu films to win a national award. And that will always be a very remarkable achievement for me in my life. And it's a priceless. And it happened only because of one man, none other than my director, Sukumar Garu. Last 20 years, me and my music director, who's also my childhood friend, we both come from Chennai. And I used to tell him, it's very difficult for me to do a Hindi film, but you as a music director, it's very easy for you to do a Hindi film. Why don't you do a Hindi film? And he said, no, whenever I do a Hindi film, why don't you do a Hindi film, and along with you, I'll also do it. I said, how is it possible? I don't know when I'll do a Hindi film. I may never do a Hindi film. Because back in the day, it was extremely hard to do a Hindi film. Genuinely doing a Hindi film was such a huge thing to even aspire for, that we used to have this thing that will we ever do a Hindi film in our life? Maybe in our lifetime we might do one Hindi film. It was that far away for us to do a film. And from that mindset to coming onto this stage, standing here, it's a very, very big thing for me. And my director, music director, when we both hit national award and we hit a national hit, national super hit album together for the same film. So it is the most priceless thing that could ever happen for in our friendship journey.
And now the world is saying Allu Arjun sir ke jaisi film karni hai sir. Of course. Now this is it.
This one poster set the bar for Pushpa 2 to become this phenomenon. And it is purely Sukumar Garu's idea. There's a story behind this. We shot Pushpa 1, a different look. We shot a normal, regular, if he's a rich guy, any of those looks. Can you see that? In like a safari suit. He's got all the bling on. Now he's into the next level. We shot that. We finished the photo shoot and it came out well, but Sukumar Garu was feeling uneasy. He's like, nay, not this. I said, what? We finished the entire photo shoot and we're going to release the picture. Now you're telling me this is not working? He says, yeah, I want to give a shocker. I said, what shocker? He said, I want to dress up like a lady. I said, what? What? Are you crazy? Then he explained me what he's looking at and everything. And then we worked around it. And then we did 2, 3 couple of shoots. The first test shoot failed. The second test shoot failed. And the third one, we got the beat. And then I knew what my genius maverick, Mr. Sukumar Garu was looking at. And that is purely his genius idea.
Quickly, if you have to, talk about the Jatra wala 2 ghante ka makeup, of course, talk to us about that because I know there's a lot of hard work that's gone into it, sir.
I generally don't like to explain we worked this hard, that hard, that hard. But I can only say one thing for sure is that by far, for the last 20 years I've been working, it is the most hardest sequence I've ever shot in my entire life. And it takes more than just hard work, effort, patience. It takes something beyond all that. I can't put it in words. And I don't like to explain because I don't want the magic to go. I just want people to experience it for the magic it is more than my hard work.
Okay. We have another one. Of course, sir. We have to talk about this.
पुष्पा कभी झुकेगा नहीं लेकिन पहली बार आपका प्यार के लिए झुकेगा. Yes, I will do that for partner for the love that they've showed. Thank you so much, Bihar, for the love that they have showed. It was incredible. It just showed how much beauty is there in this country that a South actor has got such a tremendous response in the northern parts of India, and that it's not just my achievement. It is a display of celebrating our diversifications, and that is India to me, ladies and gentlemen. That is India to me.
All right, we've got one last one. Sir,
Yeah, that is the last shot of Pushpa. I've shot this film for almost 5 years, in Pushpa 1 and 2 including. And I was waiting, believe me, gentlemen, I was waiting for this film to get over as much as possible so I can clean shave. My daughter doesn't even come to me because I can't even kiss her because I have beard on. I haven't kissed her properly in the last 3-4 years. And I've been waiting to get my beard off and start, and finish with this film. But actually, I think Rashmika finished one day before me and she was tearing and I was like joking. I was like, what? Why are you crying? Why are you tearing up? She's like, no, sir. In 7 years of my career, almost 5 years I've shot for this film. It's like home. I said, yeah, we will miss you too and all that. I was like, come on, life goes on. Yeah, whoa. I said all that. And next day, when I finished my shot, I went quiet. It got very heavy for me. It genuinely got very heavy for me. I just went quiet. Because all the faces that you see, it's the last 5 years. I've been seeing the same people, same faces. And only 3 times I got that feeling that I want this film to become a big hit. The first time when Pushpa 1 became very big hit and everybody's, when I saw this, that, one of the surveys that it has been expected as the biggest film in India. And I was thinking, shit, it's a time for, we as a Telugu film industry, whole India is expecting this film for us. It's a very big thing for us. So I should be very responsible because it will bring very good name to my homeland. and I have to be very responsibly, like I should, it's like, how do I say, it's a pride moment for Telugu people. It's a moment for to make all my Telugu people proud, because they have supported me for the last 20 years and made me an actor. And it was my time to make them proud on a national scale. That's one time I felt I should make this Pushpa film hit. And second time, I felt one day when me and Sukumar Garu were working and I saw how much he's struggling. So much he was struggling. I was just thinking, wishing in my heart, I want this film to be hit for him more than anybody else. Not for me, not for anybody. I'll get another film, I'll do another thing. But for him, I want this film to be hit. And on the third day, when I packed up, I just realized Pushpa is not about me. It's not about him. It's about all these people, this crew, these technicians, my cameraman. He's been working for the last 5 years. My actress, she's been working for the last 5 years. There's so many actors, technicians, unit, so many people. This film belongs to so many bouncers, the unit, everybody. At least for all of them, they've invested 5 years into this film. I want this film to become a hit and make it meaningful for them. That is the reason, I got so emotional about that the last day of shoot. I really wish this film, I swear I'm saying it with utmost truth, I want this film to be a hit for everybody else, not for me. I want this film to be a hit for everybody's effort.
Wow. ये सब सुन के मुझे लग रहा है I have lived all of this. Thank you so much, sir, for being here.
Thank you.
Rashmika, thank you so much. आप दोनों यहाँ पर आए. Of course, the entire team is here. We'll do a quick picture. Of course, the two of you,
Yes.
and then I'll be inviting some really important people on this stage, and we'll do a quick photo op, of course, with everyone. Yeah, here we go.
पे जो हाथ फेरे सारी दुनिया ही में तूफान देखो आगे चलने पड़े न कोई आसमां से तो गुना जो तेरा कद है इतनी गहराई तेरी सागर की क्या हद है
I request my producers and distributors and everybody to come up on stage, please. Thank you.
Naveen sir, Ravi sir, my three movie makers here, of course. Anil Thadani sir, Bhushan sir, please. Would also like to invite someone really important, Anmol Sharma ji, on stage, ladies and gentlemen, please.
उड़ाड़े पे जो हाथ फेरे सारी दुनिया
So, Mr. Prashant Penamneni, sir, please, manch pe aaiye. Thank you.
चलने पड़े न कोई आसमां से तो गुना जो तेरा कद है इतनी गहराई तेरी सागर की क्या हद है
Also, ladies and gentlemen, a very important announcement. Pushpa's Empire is back to rule the big screens. And District, our exclusive ticketing partner, will make sure you don't miss this wild ride at any cost. And the biggest announcement, ticket bookings open tomorrow. That is the 30th of November. And the word has spread like wildfire. So right now, all you need to do is download District and be ready to book your tickets on the app tomorrow onwards. And we've got this big ticket here, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, would like to invite Mr. Rahul Ganju, who's the CEO of District, on stage, please, to kindly do the honors with this team. Welcome, sir. Thank you so much for being here and being a partner on this brilliant thing.
सागर की क्या
Request all of you to kindly, be here. Ladies and gentlemen, bookings open tomorrow. And here we go. Here's the big ticket. Pushpa 2, The Rule. Of course, it is going to rule the box office and shatter some records. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for being here and being a part of this iconic press meet.
पर आज
Thank you, Rahul sir. Thank you so much for being here with us. One more time, don't forget to download District, and you can book your tickets tomorrow onwards on the app. Download it right now. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay, here we go. We've got this big announcement here. One picture with this, sir. Yeah.
काबिल पुष्पा है लेकिन बातें वो ना जाने सब पुष्पा में है, मगर चीजें उसमें नहीं है
Ladies and gentlemen, Allu Arjun sir के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Give it up for Rashmika, Ravi sir, Naveen sir, Anil Thadani sir, Bhushan Kumar sir. Thank you so much for being here, doing this, and waiting for some more dhamaka.
पर राज पुष्पा 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 लाइन पे रुक रहे पुष्पा पुष्पा राज
One more time. I know जिस चीज का इंतजार पूरी दुनिया को है, एडवांस खोलेंगे कल, and you can book your tickets, ladies and gentlemen.
वो जो पाँव के ऊपर पाँव को रखे और बैठे इस पे वो बैठे सिंहासन बन जाए सिंहासन हो बन जाए वो जो हाथ के ऊपर हाथ रखे बाधा भी कर बन जाए
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, everybody. Namaskar.
Well, that's all we have for you, ladies and gentlemen. See you in theaters on the 5th of December.
उड़ाड़े पे जो हाथ फेरे सारी दुनिया हिले वो कांधे
आपकी प्रेजेंस से प्लीज मैं चाहूंगा आप लोग मंच पे आए. जोरदार तालियां, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, they are the ones who backed this ambitious project. Sir, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. सबसे पहले सर मुझे बताएं जो रिस्पांस मिल रहा है. That is again, as I said, out of the world. We've never seen that. Like biggest film का tag ही नहीं. मतलब लोग organically इतना सारा प्यार दे रहे हैं. What would you like to say to all the eminent journalists here, sir, जो हमें join कर रहे हैं आज और साथ ही across the globe, people who are watching this?
Expected response will be huge as the date is nearing, but this is way above our expectations. The partner event and wherever we go, Chennai, Cochin, here, everywhere, it's huge. We're so happy.
Good evening, everyone. And see, this is really, we never expected this much reception for any film in India, sir. We are very, very proud to be part of this project. And also, we are prestigiously releasing this film across the world, more than 12,000 screens. And also, releasing in IMAX. This is the maximum, this is the biggest release in IMAX version for any Indian film. And there are lot many, what we call, things there, which wherein Pushpa is very special. And we humbly seek your blessings for this film. And thanks a lot for coming to this event, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. So we would obviously want you to talk about your director, Saab Sukumar, sir. You know, the kind of hard work he's put in this movie. What do you have to say, sir?
He is working hard for the past 3 years and even he is working hard today also. And same with our hero Allu Arjun Garu. He is the most hardworking hero in the country we have. And we want to thank, we did this in every event, and once again we want to thank Allu Arjun Garu and Sukumar Garu for giving us this huge film. Thank you.
So if you were to talk about the cast, of course,
Firstly, we need to thank all the media people who are here, sir. Thank you very much for this beautiful coverage. And also, we thank Anil Tadani ji, who is distributing in Hindi as well as in overseas. And also, our best friend and our mentor, Mr. Bhushan ji, who is the chairman of T-Series, is always a very strong pillar to us. Thank you very much, sir, for being here. And coming to our cast and crew, They have done a fabulous job since 3 years. Everyone worked very, very, very hard. And our hero, was a special mention for our Allu Arjun sir and Rashmika madam, who have given their best. And madam worked for more than almost 170, 200 days. That's a very, very big thing. And sir did his best and he worked very, very hard. And coming to our director Sukumar sir, he is, he's still working. See, his job is not yet over. And he has given the best product and we are very, very happy with that. And also our DOP, Devi Sri Prasad Gari, has given the best music. Our cameraman, Mr. Kuba, who is from Poland, he has given his best and he completed his DA and the work is it is very good. So, Faghat Fazil sir, he has done a fabulous job. Each and everyone, all the cast and crew, a heartfelt, heartful thanks to each and everyone. Thank you very much, sir.
So one last thing. It's the two of you. Of course, you've joined forces and, given us this and a lot of other movies. मुझे बताइए आप दोनों में से कौन ज़्यादा पुष्पा की तरह है? Who's like more like Pushpa out of the two of you? Pushpa Raj. किसके अंदर ज़्यादा पुष्पा राज है?
Pushpa is one and only Allu Arjun, sir.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है. Thank you so much, sir. One last thing that you'd like to tell all the people who are watching you right now across the globe, sir.
First of all, we want to thank everyone who came for this press meet. And we're releasing Pushpa 2 on December 5th. Please come and watch in theaters. And we need all your support. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And one last thing, sir. We are releasing this film all across the world in around, 12,000 plus screens. And every screen, everywhere, we have all the 6 versions through this CineDubs app, and wherein you can watch any language which you like in that particular theater through CineDubs. Yeah. This is one we are introducing. Thank you.
Thank you so much. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Of course. How I wish मैं सर से बोलता सर अगर आप लोग भी वो पुष्पा जैसा थोड़ा स्टेप करके दिखा सकते. Anyone and everyone who's coming on stage, I think वो पुष्पा वॉक में आना चाहिए. Anyway, what we'll do is, of course, पुष्पा यही नाम हर किसी के दिलो दिमाग पे छाया हुआ है. ब्लोइंग. लेकिन जब वो दोनों बात कर रहे हैं ना वहाँ श्रीवल्ली और पुष्पराज, उसमें भी मजा आ रहा है. उसमें भी लग रहा है हाँ क्या बात कर रहे होंगे यार, काश हमसे भी कोई ऐसे बात करता. गणेश सर ने सही किया एकदम. हाँ, इधर मुंबई लोकल में हम सबको एकदम फुल फील, आराम से आप कहीं भी ये डांस कर सकते हो, अच्छा लगेगा. पुष्पा टीम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. ऑफ कोर्स DSP sir for the wonderful song, ladies and gentlemen. And now I'd like to invite on stage someone who's exceptional with his work. And जब वो ठान लेते हैं कि मुझे इस फिल्म को ऑडियंसेस तक पहुंचाना है, तो फिर किसी भी रूप में कहीं तक भी वो इस बात को पूरा करते हैं. The one, the only अनिल थडानी साहब from AA Films. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए सर के लिए, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, he makes sure every single time कि जो फिल्म है वो उसके सही ऑडियंसेस तक पहुंचे. थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर डूइंग दिस वन मोर टाइम. हियर वी आर आमची मुंबई में. पटना में बड़ी तालियां सीटियां बजी थी सर आपके लिए. व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से टू ऑल द एमिनेंट जर्नलिस्ट्स हु आर हियर सर अब आफ्टर ऑल ऑफ दिस?
Very good afternoon. Thank you all for being here.
Man of few words. He's like हो गया मैंने यही बोलना था. So congratulations to you. Just a quick thing, the kind of response, because of course सब बोलते हैं distributor हैं, कैसे क्या होने वाला है. The kind of response that we've got, is this like the massivest, the biggest kind of response that any film has ever got, and before the release?
So I think it's all thanks to the swag, the suave, and the style of Allu that this film has become wildfire from fire. It's been aided by the heartthrob Rashmika, the ace director, sir, who's not here. And I really thank the producers, Maitri Movies, Ravi sir, Naveen sir for showing the confidence in me. And I hope the audiences give it all the love and make it really historic for
All I want to say is, sir, जब AA Films का ठप्पा लग जाता है, confidence और बढ़ जाता है. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Yes. सब वहीं से शुरू वहीं पे खत्म. Thank you so much. अनिल थडानी साहब के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, before I invite on stage our next guest, someone very special, यहाँ पे इस बड़े पर्दे पे कुछ और देखने को मिलेगा. Of course, there's this brand new song that is out, जिसको बड़ा सारा प्यार आप लोगों ने दिया है. चिंगारी लगा रहे हैं उसमें प्यार मिल रहा है, और आग लगा रहे हैं उसमें प्यार मिल रहा है. अभी यहाँ कुछ थप्पड़ की बात चल रही है. सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, किसिक टाइम, ऑल आइज ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन, वन मोर टाइम. यस, दैट्स व्हाट वी वांट. उसने कहा है कोई एक गाल पे मारे दूसरा गाल आगे कर दो. ये गाना उसका प्रीक्वल है. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए किसिक और इसके मेकर्स के लिए. अब यहाँ पे जहां तक कुछ आगे करने की बात है, मैं बोलूंगा ये वो लोग हैं जो कि फेस रहते हैं किसी भी फिल्म का. ऑफ कोर्स आप जाते हैं और इन एग्जिबिटर्स की वजह से ही इस फिल्म को फुल ऑन तरीके से एंजॉय कर पाते हैं. जैसे आप पुष्पा 2 द रूल को 5 दिसंबर से एंजॉय करने वाले हैं. सो आई लाइक टू इनवाइट ऑन स्टेज सम वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पीपल, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. सृष्टि अमर फ्रॉम पीवीआर, एक बार जोरदार तालियां. शी इज अ 3rd जनरेशन एग्जिबिटर, उनके लिए जोरदार तालियां. सुनील गुलाब साहब मूवी टाइम सिनेमा से. आइए सर. कमाल, ऐसा लग रहा है पुष्पा और शिवल्ली अलग अंदाज में आ गए. वेलकम वेलकम वेलकम, सो गुड टू सी यू. सो एवरी बिल्कुल मैच कर रहे सर. ये तो डिसाइड करके आए होगे ना? नहीं ना, मेरे को सब पता है. ओके सर, whenever we have a film like this is not film, this is something else. ये एक एक्सपीरियंस होने वाला है. सो एग्जिबिटर्स के तौर पे कितनी खुशी होती है that this is what you're going to be presenting to the audiences. उनको ये दिखाने वाले हैं. सृष्टि, I'll start with you.
So, this is not a film. I feel this is a phenomenon, a global phenomenon, like Sir just said. And we are going to experience it on the big screen, not with fans, but fellow lovers of Pushpa. So, it's going to be a communal experience. And I think that the biggest thing about this film is that it's bringing the entire nation together to watch something so big.
Wow.
And I mean, we've just seen some glimpses and we are just thrilled. So imagine the time we see the big screen and see Pushpa and Krashmika doing their thing and just, ruling our hearts. And I think they're going to rule the box office.
They will indeed. ये ऐसा लग रहा है पुष्पा का वो हाथ वाला इम्प्रिंट इधर आया हुआ है ना, फुल वही जोन में है.
शुक्रिया.
बिफोर आई आस्क यू समथिंग, एक बार सब पुष्पा वाला बनता है. झुकेगा नहीं साला.
झुकेगा नहीं साला.
हरगिज झुकेगा नहीं साला.
वाइल्ड नहीं, फायर है.
किल कर रहे हो सर. आपके वहां आप ही की फिल्म देखने आएंगे. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से, द काइंड ऑफ रिस्पांस द मूवी हैज गॉट सर?
पहली बात तो ये बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है पिक्चर को लेके. इस तरह की पिक्चर बहुत कम बनती है जो सिनेमा के घरों में लोग आ सकते हैं. तो ये पिक्चर के कारण सब लोग सिनेमा घरों में आते हैं, उससे हमें काफ़ी खुशी मिलती है. और हम चाहते हैं कि इस तरह की पिक्चर बनते रहे और बड़े से बड़ी मेगा से मेगा ब्लॉकबस्टर बने. और हम ज़रूर ये पिक्चर को रात भर पूरी 24 घंटा चलाने वाले हैं. ये तो श्योर है. बिकॉज इस तरह की पिक्चर 24 आवर चलनी चाहिए, हर जगह पे, पूरे स्टेट में, पूरे इंडिया में चलनी चाहिए.
क्या बात है सर. ये होता है अनाउंसमेंट सर के लिए. एक बार जोरदार तालियां.
पूरी वाइल्ड बन जाएगी और तब जाके पूरी और वाइल्ड बन सकती है.
बिल्कुल बनेगी सर. एंड व्हेन वी हैव सम अमेजिंग पीपल लाइक यू इसको बैक करते हुए, इसको सपोर्ट करते हुए, तो ये बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी बनने वाली है. सृष्टि, आई बिलीव यू आर अ 3rd जनरेशन एग्जिबिटर. सो आपको ऑफ कोर्स एक्सपीरियंस में दिख गया होगा ना क्या होने वाला है.
It's going to be wildfire. Sir has already said it. So it's going to be a wildfire at the cinemas. It's going to be a festival for the cinemas. I mean, we are going to have people from everywhere, every age group that's going to be excited about it. In fact, I'll tell you something that my granddad said when I told him that I'm working on Pushpa, and I showed him the song. So in this song, Pushpa does like 2 hands. So my dad was like, part 2 है ना, तो 2 हाथ यूज कर रहा है. माय ग्रैंडडैड इज लाइक, नहीं, एक झुकेगा नहीं साला, एक रुकेगा नहीं साला.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. उनके लिए एक बार जोरदार ताली. एब्सोल्युटली.
He is a 94-year-old exhibitor and he is excited for this one. He can't wait for it. So, it's right from a child to a 94-year-old man that's excited for the film. And we are releasing it in 1,300 plus screens across India and Sri Lanka. So I think it's the biggest release that we've ever had. And I think the globe is excited to experience Pushpa, the Indian superhero.
She said it. Thank you so much for sharing all of that. And of course, Pushpa के साथ अब पूरा देश एक हो गया है. Because you look at these events across the nation and हर जगह जो दीवानगी है वो इससे पहले हमने किसी के लिए नहीं देखी. Thank you गुलाब साहब. Thank you so much. Thank you Srishti. Thank you so much. Wow. That was some announcement here. 24 Ghante, of course, we'd love to see this. And now I'd like to invite on stage someone, of course, he's a very strong pillar of the Indian film industry, ladies and gentlemen. The chairman and managing director of T-Series and the man who has transformed the landscape of entertainment in India over the last 25 years. Pushpa 1 के बाद अब ये Pushpa 2 के साथ जो association है, ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा special हो गई है. India's youngest and most successful film producer. Give it up for Mr. Bhushan Kumar, ladies and gentlemen. So welcome, so good to see you. ये स्माइल देख रहे हो आप भूषण सर के चेहरे पे, ये बहुत कुछ बोल रही है. सो आई थिंक बिफोर वी स्टार्ट सर, एक बार वो पुष्पा वाला झुकेगा नहीं साला आपसे भी सुनना है सर मेरे को.
झुकेगा नहीं साला.
Killer, sir, killer. Sir, talking about this association, of course, जब आप यहाँ होते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं audiences को पता होता है कि T series का साथ है तो कुछ तो बड़ा होने वाला है, कुछ तो बात है. अभी, talk to us about this film and of course this association, sir, please.
We have started our relation with Maitri Movies from Pushpa 1. I did the music for that. And in this, we have gone on to another association level where we are associated with Pushpa 2 also. Not in terms of music. Now we are doing so much stuff with Ravi Garu and Mr. Naveen Garu. And I'm very proud to be associated with Pushpa. And everybody, like Sukumar Garu, I've met many times, and he's so dedicated director. I remember I met him in Hyderabad, and I think he was in this writing camp for Pushpa 2, and I've seen his dedication. So all the best to him. He has worked very hard on the film, and that all we can see on the big screen now. And music has become already a big blockbuster, and the songs are working so well all over. We all are seeing the kind of, and Rashmika, she's looking gorgeous in the song and the kind of performance she has given. And Allu Arjun Garu, you are really a wildfire, not only fire like in Pushpa 1. And all the best to you and everybody associated with the film. And I don't want to forget DSP. He has given a great music. After one, I know what are the challenges when you are giving another part music, and he has done a great job in terms of background music and music. So all the best to everyone.
Thank you so much, sir. From music to blockbusters, congratulations and thank you so much, sir, for talking to us. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Bhushan Kumar, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. And now, it's time for something धमाकेदार. इस बड़े पर्दे पे of course we've been seeing these units, these assets, लेकिन अब बारी आ गई है जिसको बड़े पर्दे पे देखने के लिए हर कोई बेकरार है. From the time we've all come in, मुझे पता है वो ट्रेलर एक बार इस बड़े पर्दे पे देखना बनता है. So here we go, Pushpa 2 The Rule का ट्रेलर. Yes, यही जोश चाहिए, सीटियां भी चाहिए थोड़ी सी, हो जाए.